The following message is transmitted at the request of the Juneau County Sheriff's Department. This is a child abduction alert issued by the Wisconsin Amber Alert Network. The Juneau County Sheriff's Office needs your help searching for Cassandra Kozlowski. Cassandra is described as a female, white, 15 years old, 5 foot 3 inches, 135 pounds, brown hair, unknown eye color, and was last seen in the area of Mount Olympus Resort wearing a swimming suit, or was last seen wearing gray sweatpants, tank top, and white shoes. Victim has a tattoo above right ankle and scars on thighs and forearms. She was last seen with 2 men in a small gray SUV and may be headed to Green Bay, Wausau, or Stevens Point. Cassandra does not have a cell phone. Cassandra is very sociable and friendly with strangers and will ask for rides. At this time, there is no further information as to Cassandra's whereabouts or where she may be heading other than her 3 locations of interest. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have information regarding this abduction, call the Juneau County Sheriff's Office at 608-847-5649.